Hey guys, so today we're going to be developing our own password generator. So let me just show you how it works and we will dive into the code right away. So once I run the program here, it asks me for the length of the password. I can say 10, 12, whatever I want to. And let's say just 10. And we have our password created. Now let's get on to the part where how we generate it. So first of all, we have to import two things. Okay, so two things we have to import are random, and we have to import strings. String, sorry. And then we'll create a function that defines the generation of the password. So like def generate password. And we'll also put the length in here. So length. Oh, okay. Length. Okay, now this time I got it correct. We will just use 12. So 12 is just there for simplicity in the code. But you can put it to whatever you want if you want to. Like you can even change to 16 or 17. I don't know. Okay. So now we'll start with the function. So you create a variable characters equals. Now we'll put a empty string in here, and oh no, not an empty string, but that will be our next variable. It will equal to string dot ACI letters plus string dot digits plus string dot punctuation. So these are the characters we will be having included in our password. So like a letter maybe F, or a digit maybe 2, or like a punctuation like a exclamation mark. And these will be the characters that should be joined. Okay, so now we'll define the next variable called password. Now password equals to, now comes the empty string, dot join random dot choice characters. Okay, for underscore in range and length. And we have to, okay, so we have to remove this one here, and this should be inside the commas. Okay, so there we go. We have to find our password, how it should look like. So it joins letters, digits, and punctuations together. And now we should return the password. Return password. Okay, now we're done defining it. So if underscore name equal underscore main underscore 2 times, mind that, column password underscore length. Oh, I got it wrong again, right? Okay, yeah. Length. Now we integer it, the number that we'll give, input, enter the password length don't forget to give the space here, or else it will be like really close to the column. I hope you know that if you have already learned basic Python. And now we'll say generated password equal generate password length, and then we'll print the password. So now let's put an F here and say password, and we'll give it a column and we'll put parentheses in it and say generate password. Okay, that should do it. Now let's run our program and let's see. Let's put it up here so you get a better view. Okay, so here you can say enter the password one. Let's say 5, and there you go. You have your 5-place password in here. So thanks for watching the videos. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to make a password manager that makes you have like store your passwords and have a master password, so don't worry, I can make one for you. And thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.